Come here, Emma. Come here, Emma.
Mommy. Mommy.
Come on back, Emma.
Emma.
There she is.
My tail.
Be gentle to her tail, please. Stinky buns. Mwah. Oh, okay. You're good. All right, you're gonna get off ready. Let's go change your diaper.
Mama.
Mom is coming? Oh, rest. You rest. That's how you and Nanny rest during the week, right?
Hi, Chloe Grace.
Mama.
We're gonna go change your diaper because we gotta go. We gotta go see Grammy Papa. You don't have to put